Adding a row of buttons to your Tesla can help you pop open the car door with one click. This ensures that when friends and elders get in your car for the first time, you no longer have to worry about them not knowing how to open the door. Introducing the newly launched Tesla Screen Button Multifunctional Storage Box. Installation is simple, just place it behind the screen at the designated position. The row of 8 buttons at the bottom offers a total of 13 functions. The first 3 buttons are dedicated to opening the doors other than the driver's door, making it easier for passengers to get in and out. The remaining 5 buttons are dual function, with single-click and double-click capabilities for different actions. Single-clicking the 4th button opens the glove compartment, while double-clicking opens the front trunk. Single-clicking the 5th or 6th button moves the passenger seat forward or backward, essentially adding a boss key to your Tesla. Double-clicking the 5th button switches the window lock, allowing control over other door windows. Double-clicking the 6th button activates battery preheating, ensuring faster charging at third-party stations in winter. Single-clicking the 7th button operates the trunk, while double-clicking switches between comfortable and standard acceleration modes. Single-clicking the 8th button turns on all ceiling lights, and double-clicking folds or opens the rearview mirrors. This multifunctional screen button storage box not only holds mobile phones and other items for easy access, but also features a magnetic attachment for an ETC. The 8 buttons provide 13 common functions, making driver operations quicker and more convenient. The signal receiver installation is straightforward. Simply open the cover plate under the rear air conditioner, plug in the OBD interface, and restore the cover plate. This non-destructive installation does not affect the warranty. The buttons of the screen storage box and the receiver are wirelessly connected, making installation very easy.